Holy shit. Guys, I went to the Honda shop the other day. What's up, Tim? Some damn fools. I've already sprayed this little area. This is not like the foam and tire shine stuff I'm used to. I had to film this because I'm going to tell you what. You get a chance to get you a can of this just one time, I like it. I highly recommend it. This is awesome. It's not thick and greasy like the tire shine that I use from the dollar store. Alright, and I use, pretty much, I guess one of their endorsed brands. Well, but that's expensive. Never use that. Usually it's use that STP, but man, I'm going to tell you what. So I just washed the bike and hit it with some degreaser. Come around with a clean rag and kind of wiped it dry. And now I'm just coating everything with this can. It was, I think, $14 at the Honda shop. So it wasn't incredibly bad. I don't generally spend that, especially when we try to go riding every weekend. But from what I heard from a bunch of people, is that this stuff will actually repel a lot of dirt. I'm sitting here wearing it out like it's $1 can of shit. But yeah, just spray it on there. What's up, Josh?
What's up, Josh?
And big homie Jaden. Yeah. Just shoot it to it everywhere. I am really impressed. It looks really good in my opinion. I like the way it covers the blacks. And like I said, guys, this shit's not thick like the Dollar General tire shine. I like it. Oh my. I'm really impressed here. Quick hit inside the box. And it smells incredibly nice too. It smells like $14. Yeah. Alex, Red Tag Motorsports. Carol and Mark, what up, guys? What's up, Swamp Ass? How's everybody doing? Rognecks. Oh boy. I'm gonna tell you what. I like it. And the plastics look really good. Man. Yeah, I'm digging this, guys. I am really digging this SC1. Wholesale, if it's available wholesale, then hell yeah. I mean, it'd be worth it, But as with anything in life, gentlemen, you get what you pay for. This is a fine product. And I'm not disappointed that I spent the money on it either. I think it makes the bike look absolutely wonderful. I almost don't want to waste any on the rims and tires, but how can you not? I mean, I've got tire shine over there, but I guess we'll give the bike the full SC1 coating and give my opinion then. And we're close. Sorry, forgot I got the camera. Let's see. Went riding this weekend, went camping, went to Cape Fear, got to test the bike out. It kicked ass. Before we left, we packed up the van, cleaned it all up. We're leaving. The right rear wheel locked up on it. I believe it's emergency brake, parking brake, something like that. I hope it's that, not the rear end. So that happened. So we decided we weren't going to let it kill our weekend. We loaded up, went to Cape Fear anyway, put everything in old lady's shaggin' wagon, the PT Bruiser. And then went anyway. Had an absolute blast. I blew one of you's new? That's old. Hey, brand new. I blew an axle. Old lady went to Sanford to get it. Got lost and turned around on a bunch of side roads, honey. I'm sorry. I do love you for going. I appreciate it. You saved my weekend. Thanks to Lumberton of Sanford. What up, what up? Appreciate y'all having that part in stock. She said y'all gave her a $15 break on the price too. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Honda of Sanford. Anybody gets up there, tell them we said what's up. Okay, so before I just killed a can just because it's in my hand, it's got something in it, I'm going to set it down. It's kind of foggy in here, but boy howdy, holy shit, I do like it. I do like it. Ginger Avenger ATV, you said I had to try it. I'm so glad I did. It's awesome. I'm going to let it sit there. Need to replace some of my stickers, but sent the last of them out. Got to get some more. But yeah, guys, so SC1 versus everything I've had. Versus everything I've ever tried. Looks good. Looks incredible. You can beat it. Tell me. I'll give it a shot. But I know you can beat the price. Somebody out there, everything out there that I found is cheaper than this. But boy, let me tell you, I am thoroughly impressed with results. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that was, but it looks good. I like it. So back onto the mayhem of the weekend. I blew my axle. She blew splines in an axle, rear diff. I don't know. I gotta tear it apart. The drive shaft was spinning, the bike was not moving, no grinding noises, no raising hell or nothing. So, I'm gonna rip her down, see what's going down with that. The 300 is out there getting clean. I was hoping the damn seat cover would come today. Junior came to the park, my son, Chase, and rode the shit out of it. And drove it back, but next morning it said I won't start. So hadn't even tried the fire. Getting spark, getting gas, no fire. And then the kill switch, when you're hitting the starter button, it'll still run no matter what position it's in. So leads me to believe it's that. But yeah, guys, that's about it for the update, and that's about it for my weekend. Even though it broke down, we had a blast, got to see some old friends and made some new ones, and had a good time. So I got more videos coming. I got plenty of them still on the SD cards. They'll be coming out all week. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks again.